Hi guys, so today we will be analyzing step functions.
Service is temporary, unavailable.
We will be analyzing step functions. So I've already done the first problem out of 3 problems. So I'm hoping that you guys can get through the first one. It's pretty easy. So we're going to do the third one. A fundraising company bases the profit return to organizations on the total values of products sold. The profit return is calculated as follows. $100 for sales more than 0 and up to and including $250. $225 for sales more than $250 and up to and including $500. $350 for sales more than $500 and up to and including $750. And finally, $475 for sales more than $750 and up to and including $1,000. The graph step function represents the profit return based on the product sales. Identify the domain of g of x equals 225. So the domain of g of x equals 225 is going to be, if we're looking, it's going to be between 0 and it's going to be, so if we're looking at our domain, which is the x values, it's between 0 and $225. So the equation for the domain of g of x equals 225 is $250 is less than x, and x is greater than or equal to 500. So if we look at our problem, we go to 250 to 500. So we're looking at these final values. So then we move on to the next one. An ice rink charges hockey teams for ice time to practice. The ice rink charges $10 for the first hour and $12 for each additional hour. The graph step function represents the charges for up to 5 hours. Identify the domain of h of x equals 46. The domain of h of x is 46. So if we look, the options are 3 is less than x, and then x is greater than or equal to 4. 3 is less than or equal to x, or x is greater than 4. And then 3 is less than x, and x is greater than 4. So the answer is 3 is less than x, and x is greater than or equal to 4. Or 4 is greater than or whatever. So if you look, you're looking at this one to this one. So you can see it has an open dot and a closed dot, which means that it's going to have no line on the first one and a line on this one. And then you can tell that it's between 3 and 4. So I hope this helped you with your second problem in analyzing step functions.